Moynas Learning.
Hello, friends. Welcome back to Moynas Wonderworld.
Moyna, have you noticed? Everything around us is moving, glowing, making sounds, or doing some kind of work.
That's true, BuddyBot. Fans spin, bulbs shine, vehicles move, and even our bodies keep working all day.
But what makes all these things work?
Today we'll discover the secret behind it all.
Observing a busy kitchen.
Wow, look at this kitchen! So many things are happening at the same time.
Let's observe carefully. Food is cooking. Steam is rising. Mixer is grinding vegetables. Refrigerator is cooling food. I have so many questions. How is the food cooking? Why is the refrigerator cold? What makes the mixer rotate?
Excellent questions. Now let's look beyond the kitchen. Cars moving. Bulbs glowing. Air conditioner cooling. Doorbell ringing.
Something is making all these things work.
Exactly. That special something is called energy. Energy is what makes things move, light up, produce sound, do work, and change temperature.
What is energy? So energy is everywhere.
Yes, without energy, nothing would work. People couldn't move. Machines couldn't run. Lights wouldn't glow.
Even I wouldn't be able to move my robot arms.
Exactly. We use energy every single day, often without even noticing it.
Balloon rocket activity. Can we actually see energy in action?
Absolutely. Let's try a fun activity. We fill a balloon with air and hold it tightly. Now watch carefully.
Wow, why did it move?
When air rushed out, it pushed the balloon forward. The movement of air generated energy and made the balloon move.
Energy can create movement. Sound energy. What's this?
A rubber band guitar. Let's pluck the rubber bands.
I hear music.
When the rubber bands vibrate, they produce sound. This is called sound energy.
Pause and think.
Which things around you produce sound energy?
Heat energy from the sun. What happens if we keep one cup in sunlight and another in shade?
Hey, the water kept in sunlight feels warmer.
The sun warms the earth every day.
The sun is one of the most important sources of energy.
Energy from food.
Did everyone eat breakfast today?
Yes.
Then stand up and jump.
Food gives our bodies energy. When we eat food, our body gets the energy needed to run, play, think, and work.
That's why we feel tired when we're hungry.
Food is a source of energy for all living things.
Animals need energy too. Dogs need energy to run. Birds need energy to fly. Fish need energy to swim. All animals get energy from food. Our amazing brain.
Our brain uses energy even when we are sitting, sleeping, or simply thinking.
Even while sleeping.
Yes, our body is always working. That's why energy is needed all the time.
Pause and think.
Which activities do you do every day that need energy?
Energy from fuel. Vehicles are always moving on busy roads. What helps them move?
Vehicles need fuel just like our bodies need food. Petrol, diesel, CNG. These fuels provide energy to vehicles.
So food is fuel for us, and fuel is food for vehicles.
Exactly.
Let's discuss. What fuel is used for cooking in your home? What problems can happen if too much wood or coal is burned? Diya fuel activity. Let's do an experiment.
One Diya has only a wick. The other has a wick and oil.
The Diya with oil burns longer.
Correct. The oil acts as fuel and gives energy for burning.
Fuel helps many things work. Electricity all around us. What are some things that need electricity?
Let's look around. Bulb, light, fan, movement, television, sound and picture, refrigerator, cooling, speaker, sound.
Electricity helps in so many ways.
Electricity can produce sound, movement, heat, light, cooling.
Activity time. Walk around your classroom. Can you find 5 things that use electricity? Safe use of electricity. Many industries use electricity to run machines. They help produce many things that we need, like clothes, toys, books, food, and even the scooters or cars that we use.
Is electricity always safe?
No, electricity can be dangerous if we are careless. Remember these safety rules. Never touch exposed wires. Never put fingers into sockets. Stay away from fallen electric wires. Don't play near transformers. Tell an adult if something looks unsafe.
Energy efficiency. Do you know? Using less energy to do the same work is called energy efficiency.
Can you give an example?
LED bulbs use less electricity but give the same light.
That's smart energy saving. Clean energy sources. Where does electricity come from?
Much electricity comes from burning coal. But burning coal creates pollution.
There are other sources which we can use instead. Clean energy. Sun. The sun gives us light and heat, and solar panels can turn its energy into electricity. Wind. Wind spins wind turbines to generate clean electricity. Flowing water. Fast-flowing water turns turbines to generate electricity. These sources help generate electricity without causing pollution. Pinwheel activity. Look, the pinwheel is spinning.
Wind energy makes it move.
Long ago, ships used wind power in their sails to travel across oceans. Traders from places like Gujarat and Tamil Nadu sailed to Africa, Arabia, and Southeast Asia using the power of the wind. Sunlight in focus. The sun gives us heat. Can it do more?
Yes! A magnifying glass can focus sunlight onto paper. The focused sunlight becomes very hot.
Wow, sunlight carries energy. The sun is the main source of energy for life on Earth. Water wheel activity. The wheel is spinning.
Flowing water carries energy too. It can move water wheels and even help generate electricity.
Solar panels and windmills. How do we turn sunlight and wind into electricity?
Using special machines. Solar panels capture sunlight and convert it into electricity. Windmills spin with the wind and generate electricity. Fast-flowing water can also generate electricity.
Cochin International Airport in Kerala is the world's first airport powered completely by solar energy.
Did you know that even our vehicles can run on electricity? Do you know? A torch stores energy in batteries. Many toys also use batteries that contain stored energy.
Energy flow game.
Let's play an energy flow game. Match the following.
Quiz time.
Which airport airport in India is famous for being the world's first airport powered entirely by solar energy. Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi. Cochin International Airport, Kerala. Kempegowda International Airport, Bengaluru.
The correct answer is Cochin International Airport, Kerala. What happens to a paper when you focus sunlight on it using a magnifying glass? It freezes and turns wet. It stays completely cool. It absorbs heat energy and gets very hot. It turns into water.
The correct answer is, it absorbs heat energy and gets very hot. Long ago, how did traders from places like Gujarat and Tamil Nadu travel across oceans to Africa and Arabia? Using battery-powered electric engines, using petrol and diesel engines, using the power of the wind, by burning coal inside their ships.
The correct answer is using the power of the wind. Even when you are sleeping or just sitting quietly, which part of your body is constantly using energy to keep working? Hair, brain, nails, shoes.
The correct answer is brain. In what form is energy saved inside a torch's battery before it is turned into electricity? Sound energy, movement energy, chemical or stored energy, heat energy.
The correct answer is chemical or stored energy. Final message. Energy helps people, animals, vehicles, and machines do work every day.
We can also use clean energy from the sun, wind, and water to protect our Earth.
Let's use energy wisely and avoid wasting it.
See you in the next adventure!